Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name's Tom. I'm professional lighting and electrical design engineer. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to make simple office design using the latest version of Relux, which is Relux 2017 at the moment. Right, so let's go. Let's start to do some work. Open Relux software. Just this takes few seconds. Just a second. Please wait. Please be patient. Right, we're having that open. Alright, we're having what we see. We can see nice interface, new interface. On the left side we have typical buttons for saving files, save as, open, close new, etc. In the main window you can see some icons, some buttons, which is allowing us to input some drawings, external drawing, CAD drawings, all of that stuff. But what we're doing in this project, we just wanted to create a very simple room, and in that case we will use interior buttons. So let's go and click this interior button. Okay. After clicking, we have another window which is asking us to provide some information related to that design. Okay, I've already have some input from previous projects, from previous example, but anyway. Right, what is here? We can go through all of these. First, on the top is project number. We can put any number, 1, 2, 3, or whatever it is. Object. We can put some title of project or some office. I put just office 1. Installation. This can be some type of installations like recessed fittings, suspended, whatever it is, exterior fitting, or could be type of manufacturers, specified by manufacturers, from different manufacturers. Custom, whoever it is, I just put Bison. Process by designer like Thomas, right? Could be Martin, whoever. And date is today date. We can click today date is 21st of November 2017. And additionally we can put some comments. Alright, for example, this is our first project, lighting project. Right, this is our first lighting project. Okay, let's go forward. Press OK. What happened next? Oh, we can see another window. Right, this window is allowing us to put some more information about these rooms. We can see the sizes of room. We can see the dimensions. We can see evaluation area, all of that stuff, and materials of walls, the reflections of the walls. Okay, let's start. Just put the name of room, office, or small office. Right? Okay. What else? We're having size. We need to provide the sizes of the room, which is length and width. Number 1, which is here, is length. We can put just 8 meters, for example. And number 2, which is there, is we can put some 5 meters. Right? Let's go and put that 5 meters. Right. Height. Typical height of is 2.6, sometimes it's 2.4. We can leave it as it is. Height of the reference plane. Okay, this is an office. We're looking for 0.75 meters, which is typical height for desktops, for desks. Office to the wall. Sometimes if we're having it is half meter, right? But offset to the walls we can have 0.25 if this is a really small room. For example, like 2 meters by 2 meters or 3 meters by 2 meters, something like that. Right. On the right side, we having something like in this window. We need to make decision or provide the reflections of materials. Sometimes clients or whoever wants the design is providing saying, oh, this wall is with that color, with dark blue or white or something like that. And reflection should be like that or that. But typically, we're considering, again, in the office, we're keeping the reflections of every. Usually, offices are having white walls, white ceilings, which is with really good reflections, and it's nice and tidy. Right, but again, what we're going to achieve, we need to ask ourselves what we need to achieve. Again, as we mentioned in the title, we wanted to illuminate, to give proper light for small office, all right. But we need to know what the standards are related to this office. What should be, for example, minimum average illuminance? What should be overall uniformity? What should be maximum unified glare or color rendering? All right. In this case, right, we need to check the standards. Okay, so we are really glad of the Relux, because Relux is providing us the standards. Automatically we can quickly have a look on the standards just clicking by here. We don't really need to pay for the standards. Like, look, I can show you that quickly. For example, if we type, oh, I already have some open windows showing, for example, how much cost the standards. For example, BSEN 12 and 12464. This is number 2. What about number 1? I think number 1. Number 1 is somewhere there. Number 1. Okay. Part 1. Let's have a look. Standard for light. So where is that? Number 1, 228 pounds. It's a lot. Sometimes it's easier to see and check. Let's go back to our program, right? Okay. So what we're having this in all this information gathered in edit nominal value button. Let's open this button. Right, what we can see, it is, we try to find what the standards are required for the offices. Alright, we're gonna open offices table, right, and there's 526 offices. Okay, in BS 12 464 part 1, what we're having is, this part. Alright, this table 526, yeah, and in this table there are some rows. Okay, when we enlarge this, in this table, for example, what we need to ask what will be really the purpose of this room, how we're gonna use that room, what we're gonna what that's serve for. Okay, if we're gonna use that room for writing, typing, reading, just data processing, we're gonna use this row 526.2 from this table 526, and this is requiring, let's have a look, minimum average illuminance is required 500 luxes. Overall uniformity, which is there, it is required 0.6. minimum 0.6. Maximum unified glare is located is 19, and color rendering, which is RA, is required 80%. Right. So let's highlight this one, for example. Right, on the right side we can see all of these values. We can see that 500 lux is 19, 0.6, right, 80, the height of the reference plane required to do that. All of these values we can see over there. Alright, let's close that. Just click OK, and that is automatically shown in here. Reference number 5262. We're using these standards. Alright, this is writing, typing, reading, data processing. We've got everything. In terms of location, north angle, we don't need that because we consider there is no daylight, no daylight lighting included in this project, so we just consider as just pure. It's just room, straightforward, without any windows or without any calculator of this part, daylight part. Alright, so let's go, press OK, and we're having that room. But we're talking about this room in next tutorial part. Thank you for watching, and see you to the next part.